Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the model year and sync version. Sync 2 covers roughly 2012 to 2016, Sync 3 covers 2016 to 2018, and procedures differ by version. Try pairing a second phone to see if the problem is the phone or the car. If the second phone works, the issue is your original phone. Check for obvious issues: Bluetooth toggled off on the phone software older than 2 versions, or low car battery voltage that can affect modules. Delete existing pairings on both the car and the phone, then repair the phone using Bluetooth settings and the car's PIN if requested. This resolves most handshake errors. Perform a 10-second sync reboot by holding the Seek and Tune buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds on Sync 2 or by navigating reset menus on Sync 3. If a soft reset fails, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds to reboot all modules. Then reconnect and retry pairing. If basic resets fail, update the head unit firmware using a USB stick with Ford Update files or Ford Toolbox when available. Confirm the file matches your exact sync version before installing. Run DTC diagnostics. Replace the Bluetooth module or fuse 32 if diagnostics show a hardware fault or a blown fuse, and always reconnect battery ground after repairs. Visit a Ford dealer for a module reflash, module replacement, or if the issue persists after all resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.